My name is Stephen Campion and I work for Gashome, and I'm here to replace this old Morco boiler with a new model. Morco boiler which has burst due to frost and is also showing some corrosion on the flue. So we're going to replace this unit with a new updated model. Now that we've got the cover off, we can see it's all wet, and the pump there, I've never seen a pump in such poor condition. So this boiler definitely has come to the end of its days. Just look at the state of this pump. It's, I don't know what that is on it, but it's completely covered in some type of slime. So this boiler has definitely seen the last bit of service it's going to do. Okay, now have removed the old boiler. It's outside on the ground and we're ready to start measuring up, fitting the bracket for the new one. That old boiler will go off to the scrapyard. Boiler's now on. Oh, my finger. Boiler is now on the wall, all the pipework is connected and flue is attached. So a little bit of tidying up to be done, and condensed pipe has to be put in because this is a condensing gas boiler. So hopefully another hour and we'll be done. Just sort out the electrics now on the boiler, rewire in the old cables and the room stat, and we should be ready to test them for her. Okay, so we have our boiler now up and running. Central heating mode, nearly done. Just a big tidy up now. Couple of more boilers ready for the next job.